We're in Darfield again, and we've finished this job. So I'm just going to show you around really quickly what we've done, how it's been blended in. So low level damp. If you look on that other video, low level damp. We've took plaster off, which were put on when it was flooded back in 2008, and the dry light walls. So we've took plasterboard off, which were wet at bottom because there were a gap in skirting all the way around. So that were causing different issues. It were wet, so we've took it off. We've filled gap in with foam. We've put salt neutralising cream all the way around. I'll take it in here. Put salt neutralising cream all the way around. These are areas what were damp, what were causing issues. We've put insulated boards on. And now it looks fabulous. It's been skimmed to blend in with the existing plaster perfectly. None of your rubbish plastering. Fantastic. Smooth as some of that's really smooth. And what the guy will do now, he'll come and reinstate all the floor back in, because he's a joiner. He'll reinstate floor back in, they'll put skirtings on, and then he'll be able to sell the house to a woman. We've done a service on pump, and that's about it really. So that's another job well done. So we'll be putting his invoice in and leaving him a review card, so they can do us a nice review if they think we've done a good review. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you that we've done a repair on windowsill outside, and I've used Natsem, and we've put a fillet along with a ledge. So I'll just show you. It's not quite finished yet. We're still moulding it, but I'll just show you what we've done. And we're just putting storm dry on the outside, just at low level. There's a few issues with gutters leaking and things like that, but this is repair what we've done. That were completely smashed off. I've still got to do a bit of moulding just before we go. If you look at it compared with the other side, we've measured it exactly the same length. And now she's got a sill. It's one of the things that were happening. Gutter were overflowing up at the top, running down there, and it's supposed to rainwater goes onto the windowsill, but it was running off, just running down the wall. So you've got some penetrating damp going off there. They've still not fixed that leaking drain, but we've put a fillet on there, put storm dry on, so you're not going to get any penetrating damp in there. In fact, if you look at this metal here, if you look at that, well, this should go out into that channel, and that's a channel what runs into the road. Other houses have got it. So if you look at this one, and there it goes down into the bottom, but it's all blocked up there. There's one over there that they use theirs. It's supposed to empty into the road and then go into main drain. But they might fix that at a later date. So back inside, it's a bit noisy on main road. So that's Damp Sam signing off at another job well done. See you on next video.